Are you struggling with oversized cells in your Seaborn Heatmap? It can be really frustrating when your y-axis labels get chopped off. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to reduce the cell size in your Seaborn Heatmap. I totally get it. Having long text in your y-axis labels can make your heatmap look cluttered and unprofessional. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face the same issue when trying to visualize their data effectively. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, is there any way to change the cell size of a Seaborn heatmap? They mentioned that when they adjust the figure size, the cells just get bigger and the text remains cut off. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you change the figure size, it scales everything, including the cells. This can lead to the frustrating situation where your labels are still cut off. Understanding this is the first step to finding a solution. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you create the perfect heat map without any label issues. To begin adjusting the cell size of the Seaborn heat map, the user should first modify the aspect ratio of the heat map. This can be done by using the aspect parameter in the heat map function. Next, the user can control the size of the figure itself. This is important because it directly influences the size of the cells in the heat map. The user should set the figure size using the fig size parameter. After setting the figure size, the user should also adjust the line widths parameter in the heat map function. This will help to create a clearer separation between the cells. Finally, the user should ensure that the y-axis labels are properly formatted. This can be done by rotating the labels and adjusting their size to prevent them from being chopped off. Fun fact, did you know that the first heat maps were created in the 19th century to visualize data? They've come a long way since then, and now you can customize them to fit your needs. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that instead of changing the cell size, you should shrink the size of the axes. You can achieve this by using the command plt.tightLayout to optimize the layout. Additionally, you can provide more space on the sides with fig subplots adjust, or create a custom axis size using fig.addAxes with specific dimensions. Here's the tip I promised. Always preview your heat map after making adjustments. This will help you catch any label issues before finalizing your visualization. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your Seaborn heatmap should look much better, and your labels will be clear. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments how your heat map turned out.